What's up, y'all? What a beautiful day it is today here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And as you can see, we got the mountain stream, and then up here we got Rowdy Bear Mountain. Got the stream pointing that way with all the cabins. But you know, sometimes you wonder if life can get any better. So there was one thing that I hadn't did yet over here. Well, a bunch of other things, but one thing in particular that I had to do. Let me show y'all what it is. Got us a spicy today. Spicy chicken sandwich. Sitting in front of a mountain stream. Now this truly is as good as it gets. Got us a little Coca-Cola orange vanilla drink. Wild honey mustard sauce. Looking good. So let's do this. Eating a Popeyes chicken sandwich in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Sitting over the mountain stream on a beautiful sunny Sunday. And we mountain stream. See if we could see some people coming down the Rowdy Bear. People hang gliding. Yeah, that's about as good as it gets right there. Sitting over that mountain stream, listening to those beautiful sounds, and eating a spicy Popeyes chicken sandwich. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and go Tigers. Later, y'all.